All right, I want to know what is the value of x in this equation here. So I don't have any pictures, so I'm just going to have to solve it algebraically. So I'm going to divide my equation in half, circle everything that goes with my x. I want my x to be lonely, so I need to get rid of the plus 5 4/10. And the way I'm going to do that is to subtract it. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. And that keeps my equation balanced. So I'm going to subtract that away and get 0. And then I have my 3.5x, and 4 from 4 is 0. And I got my decimal, and 5 from 19 is 14. All right, so then the next thing I would do, divide both sides by 3.5, and then I'm going to have to do a little division here. So 14, I don't have to worry about that decimal because this is the whole number 14, divided by 3.5. So I'm going to have to move my decimal over. And so my decimal's here, I'm going to have to move it over once. So I'm really going to be dividing 35 into 140, and we can rewrite this to make it nice and pretty. So how many times can 35 go into 140? Well, I have these answer choices over here, so somewhere between 3 and 4. So let's try 3. So if I just multiply this out, I get 105. So let me try times 4, and I get 140 nice and even. So my answer is 4. If I take the 3.5 and multiply it by 4 and add my 5.4, then I'm going to get my 19.4.